So now what happens in a filler facelift? We have already done a thread lift for her. So she has got a good lifting right now. Her jawline is also defined. But there is a scope for more volume addition here. Also, she is a Caucasian skin. She has a white skin, so we can add volume. There is a lot of volume loss as they age. So volume replacement becomes important. So the first injection point in that is the zygomatic arch. So this is the arch. Second injection point is at the eminence. Zygomatic eminence. So first and then second here. Third is this mid cheek area. This. So now I did this and this and this. See the effect, right? And then I'll add here fourth point. So this will also be lifted because you are filling it and you are raising the tent. So it will also be lifted. So these are the 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 that we'll do in the sequential manner. And as I said, once we start with first, the requirement for the next point reduces.